Okay, this bike is torquey as hell. This is crazy. That was hella fast. And this is a bone stock bike. Do you think this is going to be wrapped at all by the time I'm back?
How long are you going to go for?
Like 10 minutes, if even.
Yeah, if you do this, and then come back.
Yeah, we'll do this, and then it's wrapped. So this V4 is actually going to be Nardo Gray, that color over there. And that's not the topic though. For today's video, this is what we're going to be doing. Brand new V4S Streetfighter. You guys have been telling me, get a naked bike, ride a naked bike, a Streetfighter or something like that. So, I mean, look at this thing. It looks amazing. We'll see how it rides and compares into the regular super sports. I've been on, I think it's an MTO something. It wasn't like a liter bike. I'm not sure if it was a 9 or a 7. But I've never been on like a powerful naked bike. So this is going to be the first time. By the way, if you guys did want to rent that Panigale V4 and a Hyper Mortard, which I'm going to link the Instagram in the description, and actually I'll put the Instagram right here. If you guys are in the LA area and you want to rent out these bikes, you can hit them up and you can get a beautiful V4 to rent. Wow, very nice. And he's still not sure about this bike, if he's gonna rent it out or not. I don't blame him. It's a beautiful bike, so I don't know if I would trust people with it. He's not sure about it, but you guys will know if he ends up putting it for rent. Maybe not. Yeah. It looks like a personal bike. It should be. The screen dash literally just like a V4, so it's like really cool. I know how to use it because it's literally just like the V4R. All the settings and everything, but obviously it doesn't rev as high, which is normal. But we'll keep it at these settings. We won't turn anything off. It looks pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a very like super sport type of guy. Those are the bikes I like, but this is beautiful. So, they took out the front face. All right, let's warm up the bike. Oh, has that Ducati. That's the thing about Ducatis. Even if they're stock, they don't sound bad, you know what I mean? And it's an S, so it has the nice Marchesini wheels, forged wheels. They got the Öhlins, electronic suspension, all that stuff. So I can only imagine you still have, I believe, about 200 horsepower or something like that. Like this bike makes a lot of power. It just doesn't have top end like the other bikes, but it has more torque. So, you know, it totally makes sense why you should be riding these type of bikes on the streets over those full-on race bikes. But I don't know, super bikes are like super cars for me. I like the way they look, I like the way they feel, I love the aesthetics. I personally don't ride bikes for comfort, so that's why I don't really care, and I like super sports the most. But yeah, time to take this thing out on a spin and see how it feels. The boys are gonna join just cause it's already like so much easier to like push and move around. I feel so weird on it. Oh, the clutch is like hella close. Oh, hold on a sec, it's not GP shift. So do I go down? Whoa. Whoa, this feels so weird. I feel so odd. It's so easy like to turn. Like I feel like with super sports, most of the time you're using your, like you lean the bike way more. This is so flickable. It feels so weird. I feel like I'm sitting on like a gaming chair, but I can go easily 100 miles an hour. and it's so flickable. This is actually pretty crazy. I didn't expect it to be this flickable because, you know, it has a pretty much the same engine as a V4, so you'd expect it to be a little like heavier, but I guess not. Oh, that quick shifter is butter smooth. That V4 sound. This is, I see the point. Like, it's so comfortable. We're getting thumbs up, so I guess that's good. Oh my god. I feel like, am I leaning? Am I not? It feels like I am. What? We're going that fast already? Okay, this bike is torquey as hell. This is crazy. Oh my god, it's so smooth, the suspension and everything. This is actually like really nice, you know what I mean? The only bad thing about it so far that I can tell is that I feel like I look stupid standing up like straight, you know what I mean? I'm just used to like being back like that. So that's the only problem with it. I'm like sitting very straight, which feels very unnatural to me. Just doesn't feel right. But it's also cool at the same time because I get to go fast. This bike will definitely kill in like canyons or on the track because it's so flickable. I'm not gonna lie, it feels amazing. I don't understand how it's so flickable. Like, it feels it's very unexpected. I definitely thought it's not gonna be as, like, right now it feels heavy, but as soon as you start going, it's weird how like it's so easy to just move around. Definitely in the future, I definitely see myself owning either this or a ZH2. I'm confused because I'm not used to this shifting. I ride GP shift. But yeah, this is really nice. It's comfortable. Like, I can't imagine on a warm, nice weather being this comfortable. That's definitely like nice. Sounds good. It feels like I get the comfort of it. I'm not gonna lie, the Yamaha, I keep forgetting, I have no idea if it was an MT-07 or an MT-09. It was a very long time ago, but that bike did not feel as good as this bike at all. And maybe that's why like I never liked naked bikes that much, you know what I mean? This bike is different. It feels like it has power. I'm going fast, and at the same time it's comfortable. The only thing, as I said, is like the aesthetics of it, which this bike doesn't look bad like at all. It still looks amazing. And like, look how easy it is to turn here. So easy. You guys want to see me do little wheelies every now and then, so here I am. So easy on this bike. It's actually really fun, I'm not gonna lie. It's not intimidating like super sports, you know what I mean? This just feels so easy. It makes me feel more comfortable, and in a way that makes it more fun because you're not trying hard, you know what I mean? It's like a super easy bike to ride. This is like the first time in like years that I've been on a naked bike, and this is a 200 horsepower naked bike. And I'm playing with it like, you know, it's such a like easy bike to ride. Well, I meant to upshift. That's auto blipper, perfect. Up and down quick shifting, really nice. But yeah, like it feels amazing. It's stable, the brakes are good, the acceleration is really good. It's like really torquey, but like in a good way. Like here, we'll try to like take off, not launch it, but like I don't even know, but that was fast. That was hella fast. And this is a bone stock bike. It was so fast that the mirrors moved. I don't think it was meant for all that. I low-key like want to take this on a like a proper ride into like a canyon or something like that. And it's so easy to just like, you know, I'm 6'1", so I'm tall, but still like on these bikes it's definitely like on super sports it's definitely a little harder to kind of like put your feet down and all. Not on this bike. Like I get it, you literally get the best of both worlds, especially when you're getting a bike of like this caliber where it's like really high up. I don't know how like far it can lean and all that, but it feels good. Like this thing can mob, yo. Like see, I'm having fun. It's not like I rode it for a little bit and then I'm like, I'm done, I want to like take it back. I want to keep riding it, which is a really good thing. Like Ducati really built an amazing bike with this, and now it makes me kind of want to try the ZH2, which is, you know, the supercharged crazy bike from Kawasaki. I'm having too much fun on this bike, so what can I say? I hope you guys enjoyed this review. This was a lot of fun, honestly. And it's nice because the bike is pretty much like stock. It's not loud, so we don't get in trouble or anything like that. But yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's an amazing bike. I would totally like own one in the future. That was a lot of fun. What an amazing bike to ride. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, share, support. It's look, my first time on the channel on a naked bike for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, racing an Aprilia RS-V4 and S1000 and keeping up with them. So drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and ride safe. Say bye.